No way! What kind of guy do you take me for?
You are the one who wouldn't leave me alone last night.
Leave you? Home? Did we actually...
Boss, where are you? Get back here! Everything's hitting the fan!
She hung up. What is going on? I need to get back ASAP. My clothes rig. Borrowing yours.
Yingjun, your phone's buzzing again. Want me to bring it in?
Don't come in! I'll get it myself!
Oh, okay. Found it. Does he hate me now?
I am heading out! I'll call you later.
Need a ride. You don't really know these streets.
No thanks. I'll just Uber. Bullet avoided. My stupid brain. Why couldn't I just forget it all? Why did it have to come back? I really screwed up last night. This is so embarrassing. How am I even supposed to look at him? I shouldn't have did her drunk. Poor guy. I feel so bad. Whatever. I'll figure out how to explain it later. Right now, I have bigger fish to fry. Wait. Why is it a guy? I am an idiot. This is bad.
He is literally wearing a trust fund. What is a guy like that doing at our school? Wait, isn't that the girl who got into that car crash outside the gates recently? Oh, God! That is so graphic. Is he seriously not fazed by this? She was an organ donor. So they brought her in completely raw. I can't look. This is pure nightmare fuel. Take a breather. Even for someone who lives in the lab. This is way too intense. No! How are you completely unfazed?
Lin Mo! I am.
I know exactly who you are.
Huh? You do?
Let's see. Min Caizhe. Age 20. Got a PhD in criminology from Crandon University. Trained with the FBI in the US. Currently heading the Special Investigations Unit here. And today, you are here about the femboy murdered at the bar, right? Impressive.
You even tracked down where I went to school. Looks like you did your homework.
I don't like showing up unprepared.
Something's off about this kid. He knows I am investigating him, yet he is completely chill. Doesn't act like some naive student at all. Cracking him in interrogation is going to be tough. It feels like I am playing right into his hands. It is annoying as hell. He is definitely a handful. I am the exact opposite of you. I live for a good challenge. You are currently a suspect in a homicide investigation. Please come with us to the station for questioning.
stubborn!
But I seriously can't hold it in. I drank way too much last night. I honestly don't remember a thing. But even if I did, it wouldn't matter. I was wasted out of my mind, so I wasn't legally coherent anyway.
Surveillance shows that you and Lin Mo were the last people to see the victim alive. The broken porcelain weapon has Lin Mo's fingerprints and blood on it. He had an altercation with the victim before the death. We just don't know how far it went. Even though the coroner's preliminary report rules out physical trauma, prosecutors will at least charge him with aggravated assault. Lin Mo's prime suspect #1 right now. He is being held for a 48-hour hold, unless forensics comes up with something concrete. Boss, how are you so calm? Your precious little brother is in deep trouble.
I am working on it. Nothing's hitting yet. Just wait for the autopsy. Without evidence, the cops can't just pin this on him.
Boss, even though you are a suspect too, I swear to God, I know you are innocent. But what do we do now? With you caught up in this, the unit is leaderless. Everyone is panicking.
What is Brett saying?
Word is they're sending a new captain.
Drinking ruins everything.
I heard the Special Investigations lead has already taken over.
Special Investigations! Not Min Caizhe again! That guy rides my ass constantly, like a toddler! Why did it have to be him?
Don't worry! The squad is totally loyal to you! There is no way we jump ship just because he is rich and hot!
You literally sound like you already jumped ship. Ha! Lin Mo is with Min Caizhe right now!
Which means, yeah.
This is bad. I need to get over there. I can't let that maniac interrogate Lin Mo. He has a history of putting suspects in the hospital. He is a rabid dog.
Boss! Your neck! Is that a Hickey? And isn't that shirt Lin Mo's? Yesterday, you were at his place again? Don't tell me you two...
Incest?
Like taboo style.
Shut up! Get your head out of the gutter! He is my brother! Don't you dare breathe a word of this to anyone?
Boss, you are blushing so hard. That is a first for a player like you. Did you unlock a whole new world last night? How was it?
Seriously? A lady shouldn't talk like that. I've clearly been spoiling you way too much. Go light a fire under forensics for that report.